Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about hydrographic training and of course what all is entailed with our hydrographics training, as well as maybe you're looking at trainings from other companies. So you definitely need to know the right questions to ask whenever you're doing that training, because of course every training is going to be built differently. They have different structures, different ways of teaching, and we definitely want to make sure that you as the customer is getting the best bang for your buck, as well as getting a good quality training, because again, not all trainings are created the same, and you definitely want to make sure that whenever you fly or drive down to the facility, you know that you're getting trained by a company that is reputable, a trainer that knows what he's doing, as well as a company that knows the products and the service and everything that they are trying to train you in. So we're going to go over a lot of those things and tell you what all we do as a company for the hydrographics trainings, as well as also kind of give you a little insight on what to ask and what to look for whenever you're looking at other companies for hydrographics trainings. Because at the end of the day, whether you go through our training or somebody else's training, we just want to make sure that you get the best value and the best bang for your buck, which may be through us and it may be through another company. But at the end of the day, we want to make sure that you get the right knowledge for what you need to do. So as you all know, whenever we do our trainings are of course done here at our facility most of the time, unless we do an on-site training. So whenever you get a training done with us, you're going to go through and you're going to have pretty much our entire shop for either 1 or 2 days. And that's going to be everything that's in here. And you're pretty much going to be learning all the tips, the tricks of the trade and everything, all for the hydrographics, which is definitely very big for a lot of companies, because they can see how everything is set up, how things are laid out, the best way to lay it out for your company in your situation, as well as seeing different things that you're able to want to upgrade to, or things like that, which is definitely going to be very beneficial. So let's take a look at some of the stuff that we have here, what you're going to be learning, and then of course we'll get into the questions here in just a moment. So starting out, we're going to of course have our prep station where everything is going to be prepped at. Now again, with the training pieces, we've already got those prepped out, but we are still going to show you everything that you're going to need to know, as far as using a sandblaster, all the way to prepping out the part, sanding the parts, everything like that. It's all done here at our prep station, so that way you get a very good understanding of how to prep the part. Because here's the deal, if you don't know how to prep the part and you just spray it with either some Krylon or whatever, Rust-Oleum, just a very cheap paint, if you don't do the prep work right, just like they always say, it's all in the prep. So if you don't do the prep right, then the coating is not going to stick, and that's not what you want whenever you're doing a custom business like that. You want to make sure that you have a very good quality product, and that's exactly what we're going to show you on how we put out quality products all day, every day, and it all starts with the prep, just like we have right here with all of these parts. So once everything is prepped and ready to go, then we're going to come in, we're going to show you how to hang the parts, prep the parts, get everything set up, ready to go here in a professional paint booth, a full-size paint booth that we have here at the facility. And of course, you're going to be going through and learning how to mix the paints, how to spray the paints, how to spray all the different coatings, from your primer to your base coat to your clear coat, and of course any other things that you want to learn. That's where we're going to be spraying it at, so that way everything is all professional. You're going to get great results, and you're also going to know how to get great results, because at the end of the day, we understand that sometimes you may not have the funds or the ability to have this size of a booth in your facility. But we can also show you those ways on how to get very good quality professional results out of a different type of system that you might have at your facility. So definitely keep that in mind. And of course, here we're going to learn all about painting, mixing, and everything in between. We have tons of colors available for different things that you want to shoot, as well as, of course, knowing how to mix all of the primers, all the clear coats, and of course, using gram scales, using paint mixing cups, anything like that. It's definitely going to be covered all in the training itself. And of course, here at the facility, we have a full walk-in showroom. So of course, there is tons of ideas that you can get from the showroom here, the way that we have it laid out, as well as, of course, giving you ideas on different things that's worked in the past for us, as well as other ideas that might help your showroom stand out with something like what we've done right here, or maybe even something totally different that is very unique to the way that you want to present your business to your clients. So definitely having a showroom like this is very critical to show the professional and the quality of the products that you're putting out. And we go over a lot of that in the training on how to do that, because at the end of the day, you're going to be a quality professional shop putting out good quality professional results. And that's the idea and the key of what we are going to try to present and show you and focus on in the training itself. And of course, if you've watched any of our other videos, you know this iconic dip room, as well as we have the tank that you would of course be training on, as well as rinse station, table for your cutting area for your film, and everything in between. So again, you know, it's all about the quality, it's all about training, and it's all about showing you that even though we have these machines and all of this facility, you can still make it on a lot less. And so yes, maybe you might not have a full stainless steel tank, or maybe you might not have a full, you know, paint booth or something like that, but these are all things that are great to have. But at the end of the day, through the training, we try to teach more on how to use what you have to make sure that you get a quality result from the products that you have, whether that be dipping in a custom built tank that was built by yourself, or another tank that was purchased from another company. It doesn't matter to us. What matters is that you learn the properties of the actual coating itself, as well as how to spray those properly, how to perform the coating properly, and if something messes up, how do you fix it? Because that's a big part in all of the training, is that you have to know how to fix things whenever they go bad. And so that's a big key factor in what we try to do as well. All right, so of course, now for the questions that you should be asking whenever you're looking at other trainings as well. And so the first one is going to be that we've heard of a lot of companies that whenever they are doing their trainings, they will literally just mix everything up for you and hand you a gun and say, spray this part. At our training, of course, we do not do that. So you are going to have full 100% hands-on. You're not going to be in a class where they just have a presentation on how to do this and then they don't go over anything else afterwards. You know, we are going to pretty much hand you a paint gun and say, okay, you need to mix this up, you need to spray this, let's figure out how to do it. And then we move on from there. A lot of customers have told us that they've been to trainings and, you know, they have not really liked certain things about it. But, you know, another thing that comes to mind is on questions is how many people are in the class. Because of course, the larger the class, the less likely you are to have a full one-on-one conversation or questions or things like that, because of course that instructor is now trying to train 6 people, and if you already know how to paint but yet this customer doesn't over here, then he's going to spend more time over there. And so are you really getting the best bang for your buck out of having a class full of people instead of having a full one-on-one? So definitely keep that in mind whenever you're going through and asking a lot of these questions. The other thing is, of course, is that does the company, are they doing the hydrographics? Are they actually doing the hydrographics at their facility for customers, for jobs, things like that? Because if they're not, then they may not be up and up on the latest stuff and the newest things and the newest technology, the newest paints, primers, clears, films, little tricks, little tips, things like that. You know, it's always good to look at even what they are putting out for the quality of work. You know, are they doing really high-end jobs? Are they doing, you know, a lot of contract jobs? What are they doing? Definitely look at that, because that's going to be a key factor in knowing what all they might be able to train you on. You know, another thing is that how long has the trainer been doing the hydrographics or the training itself? You know, we've been doing hydrographics for over 10 years now. We've been doing custom paint work for over probably about 15 years now. I got into it whenever I was very young, and I have absolutely loved it. Now, I will tell you, I was self-taught. So of course for me, I learned at the School of Hard Knocks what not to do, and then I learned how to do it right and how to do it better, and then I progressively am always trying to keep myself at another level and one-up myself every single day. If you're not doing that, then you're failing. I'm sorry, but that's just the way that I look at it. You always want to try to strive to be better and better every single time that you're going into that booth, every single time that you're dipping a part. We want you to try to get to that point, whether that be through our training, somebody else's training. That's what we want to see. And so, you know, another thing that you can look at too is on the company itself. You know, is it going to be a place that is easy to get to, as far as, you know, is it going to have a lot of driving or a lot of flying, or is it going to be somewhere where you can just, you know, drive a couple of hours and then you're there? You know, of course, those are always going to be a big key factor, as well as, of course, price comparatively. So, you know, of course, we may not be the cheapest, but we feel like the things that we offer, they have a good value to them. And so, you know, that's something to definitely weigh in on, is what value are you going to get out of what training and at what price range. So definitely make sure that whenever you're looking at those things, you know, you're going to make sure that that's going to be the best value for what you have. You know, another thing that we do that a lot of companies don't is that we are not salespeople, and I am not a salesman. I am, of course, the owner of Liquid Concepts, and so I am the only one that's going to be training you. With that being said, I am not here to pitch a sales on how great our products is, or why you should only use our products, or you can only use our products because they're the only things that's compatible with our materials. That is not true, and I will be the first to tell you that. You can read tons of reviews from, of course, us and all the other companies that have trained with us, and you can clearly see, you know, whenever you go through a training with us, we are not salespeople. I don't care if I sell you a single thing throughout the entire training. I want to teach you the knowledge so you can make the best decisions possible for your company, because at the end of the day, that's your profit margin, which means that that's going to be the main thing that you need to be concerned about, not how much I can sell of paints and primers and clears and things like that, because that's what I want to do. I want to train you. I don't want to sell you. You make your own decisions on what works best for your applications. And then if you want to use our products, that's perfect. If you don't, hey, not a problem. Hopefully we'll get it next time. But at the end of the day, we give you the knowledge on what you need to know, so that way you can make an educated decision. So that's definitely something to definitely keep in mind whenever you're looking at a bunch of other companies, is that sometimes the companies will make sure that they only use their products, or they make sure that they tell you multiple times throughout the trainings that these are the only products that are compatible or used in the hydrographics industry, which in most cases is not completely true. So definitely keep that in mind whenever you're looking at other companies. So hopefully this video has really helped you guys out in trying to figure out the best thing that you need to do as far as hydrographic training, whether it be through us or from another company. Hopefully I've gave you a lot of tips and tricks on the questions to ask, the things to look for, as well as, of course, if you have any questions with our training, hopefully this little video and overview has really helped you out on showing you what all we would cover, and of course things like that. Of course, if you'd like to have a more detailed look about what all we do cover in the training, I'm going to have some links below in the description that's going to go to our website to show you what all we have and what all we cover in the hydrographics training. And so hopefully that'll give you a lot of good resources to check out, as well as, of course, if you have any questions or comments after that, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on that, as well as give us a phone call. We'll have that in the description, or you can also email us and we'll certainly get back to you. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.